we've installed Myriad Anywhere, but what is it, in fact? Well, it's a what they call a thin client, which enables you to control your Myriad system whilst you're out and about, or from another machine, another computer in the same network of radio stations, something like that. It gives you the ability to control playback, move things around in the log, fire off instant carts, things like that. So you might be at an outside broadcast, you might have a TO back at your studios, but you want the control of when you fire off your music beds or fire off the next piece of music. So let's have a look at how it goes. The general interface is just going to be a very quick guide. First of all, first thing you need to do back in Myriad is to make sure that you set in Myriad. So we go settings, Myriad settings, and Myriad settings again. Make sure you tick this option here, other options, allow Myriad to be controlled, monitored remotely using TCP IP connections. If this isn't ticked, then Myriad Anywhere or Myriad Monitor won't work at all. So that is your first port of call to go in there and tick that if you wish to use this application. So then into Myriad Anywhere, let's double click it here. We've already seen the install. And what we have to do, first of all, if you haven't got anything set up, then you get prompted to add some settings in. To add the settings in, go to connection settings, and we're running Myriad here on the local machine. So this would be in the instance where you are connected to your radio station via a VPN connection, which is what we recommend you do. You'd add in the IP address of the computer on the network. We again suggest that you use static IP addresses for all of your Myriad Playout machines. So you type in your IP address there. Here you select whether you want to see your full Myriad system, or if you're using Myriad Network, whether or not you want to see a certain split. We just want to see the full Myriad version 4. So we're just going to leave that on there. And then down at the bottom here you have some options to name the monitor and also any timing. So we're just going to click on OK on that. And that loads up our system. And so this is basically our Myriad system. Let's just go across the top of the menus here, File, Exit, General Settings. You've got the ability to show instant cards in a vertical list, a bit like you would see them in Myriad itself, or you can show them in a grid view, so that one's up to you. Also back in settings, the license details, this is where you license and stick in your details. We've already seen about that. And then just a quick help. So it's very, very simple indeed. So you've got your instant cards over here. And again, you have the same choice. You can move around and select what you'd like to see down there. So there are your instant cards. You've got the log running over here. At the moment it says log is not running, it's in standby mode. So if you did have a log in here, then you'd be able to see that. And then you've got preview, delete, and you can also choose to change the ending of the song as well. So let's actually get something up into the log. Let me just do that, and we'll rejoin this in a second. Okay, so we've got our log here, and we can see that Beverly Knight is queued up and ready to go. And so Myriad Anywhere gives you the ability to actually hit play on your playout system back at base. So this song would start playing out now, and you basically have control here. You can select a song to remove it. So say we didn't want Agnes and Release Me. You click on delete, and then you click on the song that you want to remove from the log, and that soft deletes it out from the log. And you can see now it's changed and queued up Kylie Minogue down at the bottom. We still get the overrun, underrun here of the hour. If you wanted to change the ending, so perhaps at the end of this song we wanted to do a link, then again you can click on the green circle, turns it into the red square, and it means that at the end of this, because we're in a live assist hour here, that Beverly Knight will finish off, we can start doing our link, and then whenever we're ready we can hit the go button or the play button here on Kylie Minogue, and that will queue up the next track. So that is a way of changing the ending. You can also change the ending by clicking on ending here and then highlighting a song, and that will change its ending there. You can see it's now changed. Preview enables you to click on preview, find the song that you want to preview, it'll stick it into the preview cart player, and you have the ability there to preview the song. So they are the three options you've got there: preview, delete and ending. If you wanted to undelete that one again, you can just click on delete, click on the song, and then that will bring it back, and you can see it's now replaced Kylie with the Agnes song. So they are your options here. We have the instant cards, so again you can just click on those, fire them off from the first available card player. You can see it playing down there. You've got requeue, and you've also got eject down on the card players. So that's the combined view. You can also go into instant cards. You can see all of your instant cards. You can also click on the pin here to bring up the available sets to be able to change around, and then you can click on that pin again if you wanted to see it in full screen. So again, you just click on a song and it'll start playing from the first available card player, or however you've set up your items there. So that enables you to change your instant cards. You've also still got the go button here, so you can still control that log. So if we just click on go there, it fires off that next song, and it will get rid of Beverly Knight. And then log, if you just want to see the log fully in taking up the full width of the window, you can have log set on there. So combined view is very useful because it gives you those instant cards, plus it also does give you the log as well. You still have your overrun and underrun, and counts down to the next seg. So that is Myriad Anywhere. A really useful piece of software to have on your outside broadcast laptop, and enables you to control your Myriad system remotely.